Everybody hello, it's my review about this headphone, model KZEG. It's very bad headphone, looks like good, outside good, but poor quality inside. First problem, it's a smell like a very cheap synthetic woman's leggings. Yeah, I'm afraid to use this. Maybe bad for my health. And second, very big problem is sound. The sellers say super bass, but no super, no bass, no treble, just middle, but not good. Very bad sound. And I will try it's with I haven't professional microphone, but I will try the sound. I will try show you the sound by microphone in my iPhone. Let's try. See, music. Let's start. Inject, yeah, and here. Let's try another. I think you understand. And I stop music. We compare this headphone and this headphone away at the same price. Let's try. Inject. Away. Yeah, good. I don't touch anything setting. Just start music. Yeah. And okay. See. It's away. So, I see very big difference. Sorry for my English not so well, but I hope you understand everything.